Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Nelia. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back for another video. Today I'm doing another experiment. We're gonna try the ACV rinse or juicer drink to see how it does for weight loss. If you may or may not be familiar, ACV, apple cider vinegar, has been going around the interwebs as this whole weight loss savior. People are losing inches and pounds just taking this drink. So of course I wanted to try it. So I'm not completely foreign to apple cider vinegar. I do like to drink it in the mornings once in a while, but I've never been consistent with it to tell you guys that it really does make a difference. So for a whole week, we're gonna drink the apple cider vinegar drink. I'm gonna drink it in the morning before I eat and as the last thing in my stomach before bed. So twice a day we're gonna make this drink and drink it. So I've already did my measurements, I weighed myself, so I have all that calculated. So I'm just gonna compare it a week from now and see if there's any differences, and I took pictures of course. The benefits of apple cider vinegar, there are tons of benefits of taking this drink. Let me get the notes. It can help with heart health, acne, blood sugar levels, weight loss of course, helps lower cholesterol, and helps your overall digestion. Now last night I did make this drink just to try it out, and I can definitely attest to digestion. It definitely helps keep things moving. So for my recipe, it's gonna be 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, which is about the size of a shot glass, a cup of water, and lemon. Now my apple cider vinegar is not the regular Bragg's straight vinegar. Mine actually has honey within it, so I'm curious to see if that makes a difference in results or not. And of course, if you do try this, you want to do apple cider vinegar with the mother. The mother is what holds all the nutrients and all the good stuff, so you definitely want to shake it up and pour it in your drink that way. Also, I like to drink mine as like a tea. So I use my Keurig and I just get some hot water going, and then I add the apple cider vinegar, and then I add a few drops of lemon just to help with the taste. So for me, it doesn't taste that bad. I'm not tired of it yet. I did drink it this morning, and you know, it just tastes like a really hot lemon tea for me with a little tang to it. So it doesn't bother me. I know a lot of people like can't stand it, but I will say the apple cider vinegar Bragg's with the honey, so far it's pretty good. Not as bad as just regular apple cider vinegar. I think the results are going to be pretty good. I think it's going to help with bloating. I might lose some weight only because I heard it does help with cravings and like keeping you hungry or keeping you more full longer. So I am curious to see if it does that as well. And just for you guys, this is like a really inexpensive, you know, drink to make. So you just need apple cider vinegar and water, and if you want to add honey and lemon to it, you can do that too. So I'm excited to see if these results, and if I like the 1 week results, we might do it again for 2 weeks. I don't know, we'll have to see. So stay tuned, you guys. Okay, so I just wanted to get actual proof of me drinking. Day 1 at night. It's kind of hot, so I probably won't drink it right away, but this cup is from a Black-owned woman. She has like a plant junkie, like fan gear, like shirts and mugs and things. It's really cute. I'm gonna link it below. And these straws are from Amazon. I got like a 4-pack. I didn't put any lemon on it in it this time. Tastes fine without it. I mean, I really like it this way. I think maybe because I'm used to apple cider vinegar, it doesn't like faze me. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 11:11 p.m.
Oh, make a wish. Late, and I'm trying to go to bed by midnight, but I'm drinking this so late. I'm gonna have to wake up and pee. Okay, you guys. Day 1 is over. I did my 2 glasses today. I'll finish that. And I'll see you guys later. Cheers. Y'all, it is snowing outside. Like, can y'all see? Let me see. It's snowing. The snowflakes are so small you can probably barely see them. Everyone was like freaking out yesterday at the grocery store because they said it was like 8 inches. But the way it's falling right now, I mean, it's not even really sticking. In Maryland, which is where I reside, is day 5. And I'm happy to say I have been drinking the ACV every single day at least once. So one of the problems I'm dealing with is I can't get 2 in a day. And it's always either the nighttime one I can do. I can do the whole drink it before bed thing. I can get to that. I can do that one. But the drinking it in the morning thing is just not working. And I think it's because of just how my fitness health lifestyle is. I really like to work out fasted, so I don't have anything heavy on my stomach really. I don't have anything on my stomach. I have pre-workout. And that's it. And water. To drink a smoothie, protein smoothie afterwards. So then I was like, should I still drink the ACV before the protein smoothie? Because does the protein smoothie count as food? But I guess it does because your body's digest. Like, I went through a whole process in my head. I could not figure out how to do the vinegar in the morning. Like today, I just drank some pre-workout because I'm about to go to the gym. And then I guess I'll drink the ACV when I get back. And then a protein smoothie. I like to drink protein like within 30 minutes of my workout though. So it's just like a whole thing. If you guys know, put it down below. Oh, I've been eating like trash the past 3 days. At least one meal has been bad. Yesterday, for example, I had 2 donuts and Jamaican food. Then I had Jamaican food the other day. I'm going through a phase of Jamaican food. Pizza. Oh, and then I had a birthday dinner and I had steak and mashed potatoes and green beans and bread. Oh my god, there's so much good bread. But yeah, trash. Yeah, so I haven't noticed, well, I haven't also took any pictures. I'm not gonna take pictures to the last day. I have been feeling bloated because my body has been eating pretty clean until I just fumbled and had rice and Jamaican food. So I did get some bloating. I did notice that, of course. I'm not getting on the scale. I refuse. Yeah, it sounds like I'm doing terrible, but for some reason I'm not giving up yet. Like I'm sure I'll still have some type of results. I will say that this ACV, take it in at night and then you wake up in the morning, the bowels. Really recommend if you guys do this challenge to like add a little honey, add a little lemon, like don't kill yourself for the views. You guys, so that's all I have for day 5. Or no, it's day 4 because I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So it's day 4 actually. My bad. Either way, I'll have the date out. I don't remember, you guys. Alright, I'm gonna hit the gym and I'll give you guys an update maybe tomorrow or the next day. There's not much going on. I'm just drinking the drink once or twice a day. So we'll see how it goes. Hey guys, what's up? It is officially day 6 of the apple cider vinegar challenge, and We're still rolling. I will say I have been mostly drinking it just at night, not 2 times a day, but 1 time at night. That just worked easier for my schedule. Today, I just woke up and I'm not going to the gym today, so I was able to drink it in the morning and then I'll drink it again tonight. So I've been alternating. I just think that should be mentioned just in case that affects or doesn't affect my results. I am about to be on that time of the month, so I hope that doesn't really affect too much of my changes. I do have my original measurements here on my sticky. Should I drink one more day tomorrow and then Thursday morning do my results? I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm still working on that little bottle that I got, so you don't really need the big one for this if you want to save a couple bucks. It doesn't get easier. My eating has been so-so. I think I'll make this my final like check-in, because tomorrow is the same idea, except I'll be working out. So I'll make this like my final check-in. For now, I gotta do a hair video and keep it moving. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys when it's the final day, my results, and how I'm feeling, how I'm looking. I can't wait. Okay, bye guys. Okay guys, hey, it is check-in day. It's the final day. It's technically day 8 and I'm ready to measure myself. I'm excited. I actually just weighed myself. We're gonna get to that. All right, I don't have my old measurements next to me right now because I don't want to like freak out. So here we go. Let's see if anything changed down here. Okay, these are my old measurements and these are my new measurements. So off the bat, I did lose weight. I was about 184.5 when I weighed myself last week, and I'm 181.4 today. So that's about 3 pounds or so. So I'm not mad, especially since you guys know I ate like crap and I've been training a lot. So I wasn't sure if the muscle would weigh more or whatever. I actually didn't lose much stomach fat though. I lost about 1 inch around my waistline, but my belly button area is still the same, but I did lose 1 inch on my waist. So I lost 3 pounds and I lost 1 inch on my waistline. So I'm wondering, it's also about to be my time of the month, so I could be bloating. So I kind of want to try this again, but I'm happy about this 3 pounds. Like I really didn't think I was going to lose weight. And I told you guys, I've been eating like crap. So that ACV, along with, you know, trying to keep active, you know, I went to the gym about 75% of the time during this challenge. So if I eat a little cleaner, and if I measure myself when it's not that time of the month, I wonder what another week would do. Should I do another week? Let me know down below in the comments if you guys want to see me do another week. I'm actually really curious how that's gonna go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for spending a whole week with me trying this ACV challenge. I recommend it right now. I don't see any harms. My digestive system feels great. I lost 3 pounds. Like, you can't be mad at that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.